Hello and welcome to episode number 2 of our Q&A series. Today we picked up a very interesting topic. It's about our smoke detector pollution levels and more specifically how our addressable control panels are measuring and displaying the information about the pollution of each smoke detector. If you have already used our systems, most probably you have seen the menu inside the panel where you can check the pollution of each smoke detector. However, a lot of people are struggling to understand the information that they see inside that menu. So today we are going to clarify what exactly we can check for each detector. How does the auto-compensation of the smoke detectors working? So in order to understand how does it work, we first need to understand how the auto-compensation functionality of our smoke detectors is working. As you can see on the graphic on your screen, every detector has a predefined alarm level which is defined during the manufacturing process. This is the level which, when reached, will trigger an alarm condition. With the time, the dust level in the smoke chamber is increasing, and the detector is compensating that by also increasing the alarm threshold. However, each detector has a compensation limit, which means that when this limit is reached, the detector is no longer capable of compensating for the dust level inside the chamber. What it means to have 100% of pollution level. It's important to understand that this doesn't mean the detector is not working normally. It will still be able to detect fire condition. However, it will be vulnerable for false alarms in the future. It's important to know that when you reach 100% of pollution, that means that either you need to clean the detector or potentially replace the detector if needed in order to prevent false alarms. So again, what does it mean to have 100% pollution? It means that your detector is not capable of increasing its alarm threshold. It's still going to work normally, but it's better if you clean or replace that detector. What is Clean Me Now message telling us exactly? Our control panels will also generate a message which we call Clean Me Now. This message will notify you in case some of your detectors has reached 100% of pollution, and by doing this, it will give you an early warning for upcoming cleaning procedure needed. So thanks for watching, see you next time. In the meantime, we also have a dedicated video for smoke detector cleaning procedure, which you can check in our channel. Also, if you have more technical questions, you can always contact our support team or visit our portal where you can find a lot of information about our products as well.